Dr. Cutter with the Chainsaw Hospital. So I don't know what if you can see this, but you can see the chain is really loose there. And what I kind of noticed is the chain actually works. You know, it goes around and round and it seems okay, but like I said, it's just really loose. And I was wondering, why is it so loose? Did it stretch and nobody knew how to adjust it? But what I'm going to show you is, or the main question for this video is, can you put a 3/8 standard pitch chain in place of a 3/8 low profile? And we're going to answer that here. It's a question I've had in the past. It's one that I found the answer to fairly quickly, but I thought it's something you guys might like to know too. What we've got here is a standard pitch 3/8 chain, and I believe, in my mind, that this is a 3/8 low profile clutch drum and sprocket nose on this chain. And I'll show you why. So with it being loose, you can see the chain runs great, no problems at all. And as soon as I go through here and I tighten this down and we set the chain tension properly, we run into problems. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do is tighten that up, and this is, that's a little too tight right there. But, and yeah, there we go. So let's tighten this up right. But what I'm going to do is get you guys in here. There we go. And what we'll do is we'll get a little bit closer look at what's going on, and I'll be able to show you the answer to the question. So here's Gordy. I went ahead and got this chain tensioned up mostly properly. You can see it's a little loose there. But when we start pulling it, it just gets tight. It doesn't want to spin right anymore. And if we look right here, you can actually see pretty good what's going on. So let me get my pointer device, and you can see here that the actual drive link, which is right here where the screwdriver tip is really close to and bumping up against the sprocket nose of the bar. So, and in fact, this one right here is almost behind it, like it's spread it out, because this has been running like this for a long time. See if I can get you in here and show you that. See how messed up that is? So I think this is a 3/8 low profile tip on this bar, and then likewise there's a 3/8 low profile clutch drum over there. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this chain off, and we're going to put on a 3/8 low profile and see if that runs any smoother. Next up, what we're going to do is actually loosen up our tensioner. So what I've got here is a 3/8 low profile. This is an old Homelite chain. Now all I'm going to do is just put this side cover back on. So here we go. We've got that, and we're just going to tension our chain real quick. I'm picking up on the bar, and then I'm going to tighten this up until the bottom of those driver, the links of the chain touch the bar. And what I'll do is just tighten this down. Okay, so now the moment of truth. Is this the right chain? Will it be all bound up? And absolutely not. Runs smooth as butter there. So there is your answer. No. 3/8 standard chain, which this might have been custom made. This is an awful short chain for full size 3/8. 3/8 chain cannot be interchanged with 3/8 low profile. I'm not sure what the situation was, why somebody decided to do that. When I saw this, I noticed, I was like, man, those are awful big cutters for such a little saw. But I was thinking it's probably because it's 3/8 low profile. But either way, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just drop them down below in the comments. I'll be happy to try to answer them the best I can. If you have more information about 3/8 low profile chain versus 3/8 standard chain, I would love to hear about it. Please let me know down below in the description. I'm sorry, in the comments. So either way, that's it from me. So remember, keep your chain sharp and stay safe.